Welcome. In front of me I have Smart TV Samsung TU 8082 inches, and I'm going to show you how you can adjust the power off option. So at the first we have to tap on our remote control on the settings, and then just simply by using the arrows go for the settings, click OK, and then move to the general. We have to switch to the system manager and tap on the time, and here we are able to set up the sleep timer option, so click OK. And after choosing the period of the time, our TV is going to turn off. So for example, we can set up the 30 minutes, and after that time the TV is going to turn off automatically. So that's how we can set up the sleep timer on this device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.